Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have a new box on the channel and they are sponsoring this video, so let's get into it and talk all about it. I love introducing new boxes to the channel. You guys have said out there that you would love to see some new boxes, so I thought we would unbox a Kinder box, and they reached out and asked if they could sponsor a video and send me a box to review, and I said yes. I thought it would be fantastic. I have not ever gotten this box, and it is a clean beauty box. And you guys know we've talked on the channel about how I've tried to transition my skincare as much as I can over to clean products, and that is what Kinder is all about. So I have a whole lot written down here I want to tell you about, but let's get in it and see what we've got inside. So when we open it up, we have, right on top, we have our Kinder paperwork, and then that is what we have on the inside. Let me tell you a little bit about Kinder to start with, because it is new to me and I don't want to miss any of the relevant details. First of all, I will put a link and my code below. If you look at this and you think it's something you'd like to try, they have given me the code Kathrin50, and off your first box you will get 50%. It is a $26 box if you purchase it monthly. If you do a 3-month subscription, it drops to $24 per box. If you do a 6-month subscription, it drops to $23 per box. We'll have 5 products. They'll be full size and travel size, and it's hair care, skin care, makeup, and other things too. Kinder Beauty Box, and we don't usually talk about founders, but how can you not talk about this? Kinder Beauty Box was co-founded by actresses and ethical entrepreneurs Daniela Monet and Ivana Lynch. And in case you don't know, Ivana Lynch is Luna Lovegood. I know, that's probably not what they want me to talk about with the box, but I am a deep Harry Potter fan, so I can't let that go by unsaid. It is a clean, vegan, and cruelty-free box, and you will have up to $165 in value. If you sign up for Kinder Beauty Box, you will receive the box that I have today, and that is the Kinder Faves box. It has a $122 value, and everybody, this is the first box you receive when you sign up for Kinder. And if you sign up for a 3 or 6 month plan, you will get a bonus box with an $85 value. The products that they source, and I'm going to read the list because it's an important list. The products that they source are vegan, cruelty-free, and free from most common toxins. We proudly guarantee the following: vegan and cruelty-free, no parabens, sulfates, SLS or SLES, no added phthalates, no EDTA, no cyclic silicones, no siloxanes, no formaldehyde, PEGs, triclosan, trichlocarbon, petroleum, mineral oil, talc, BHA, BHT, hydroquinone, and microbeads. And last but not least, with the information before we dig into this, they have a marketplace. And I went over, of course, I checked out the entire site and everything before I ever agreed to do the video. But when I went over and checked it out, they have a marketplace. And a lot of places that do boxes also have marketplaces. Their discounts are amazing. And the marketplace is open to everyone, so definitely go over and check it out. And I have been rolling a scroll of just some of the great discounts you can get in the marketplace. Okay, let's get into the box. We have our paperwork. It's the Kinder Faves box, and they're letting us know that the monthly boxes ship around the middle of every month, about the 15th, so check your inbox for tracking information. You can get rewarded. Earn reward points with the Kinder Club. Sign into your Kinder Beauty account and go to kinder.com rewards to see how many points you already have and learn how to earn points even faster. That's kind of fun. And then it tells us everything that's in this box. So right on top, we have the masks that fell out, and they are the 100% pure Bright Eyes mask, and they have a $7 value. You guys know I have said so many times, of all of the mask family, which I enjoy all of them, under eye masks are my favorite. I love how hydrating they are. Treat your eyes to some extra love with 100% Pure's hydrated caffeine eye masks, made with a hydrogel composed of 95% aloe water and 5% plant cellulose. This eye mask is made to adhere to your face until your skin drinks up all the moisture. That's what I love about them. Use this for a quick depuffing treatment or for a longer hydrating eye mask before a big event. So we're off to a good start. Reaching in next, we have a Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum. We have had this on the channel before, used it, and loved it. I love serums, particularly at night. When I'm doing a full face of makeup, I'm not always convinced that I love them, but I absolutely love the extra moisture at night. It says this has a $52 value. Soothe and calm your senses with lavender, ylang ylang, and orange oils. This luxurious serum contains concentrated blends of antioxidants and fatty acid oils that will hydrate and nourish your skin while you sleep. Because I haven't used this in a while, we're going to remind ourselves of the feel, how it absorbs, and the scent. So I put 2 drops on the back of my hand, and it's just, can you see it running down my hand? It's just a nice oil. Oh, I smell the lavender and the ylang ylang. That smells good. You could absolutely, the lavender would be very calming at night, but it's not such a strong scent that you couldn't easily sleep through it. This is lovely. We'll give this a minute and see how it absorbs on the back of my hand, but I can tell you it absorbs very well because I have used this in the past and loved it. Reaching in next, looks like it's maybe a scrunchie. I love, as I unbox this, I love that I'm showing you guys a box that when I'm done, if you're like, I would like that box, you can go get this exact box. This will be the first box you get from them. This is so soft. I know, you're saying it's a scrunchie. Yes, it is just a scrunchie. It is so very, very soft though. And it has enough tightness that it'll hold, but not so much that I have very fragile hair. You guys know I don't like it when things pull too hard on my hair. This says Moonlit Skincare Bamboo Silk Scrunchie. So it's the bamboo. Bamboo is always so soft. Diligent with your hair care, but still seeing random breakage. Yes. Your hair tie might be to blame. This silky smooth scrunchie is made from soft bamboo, which means no ridges, breakage, or damage to your hair. Slide it on in blackout black for a chic chignon or a simple ponytail. And the brand is Moonlit Skincare. All right, next out, we have the Earth Harbor Mermaid Milk Nutrient Glow Moisturizer with spirulina and matcha. And that is what that looks like in the box. Let's get it out of the box. Could you guys see when I was up there how nice and shiny and moisturized my hand is? And when we take it out of the box, this is what we have. It's a nice, pretty, can you guys tell? It's a really pretty mint color. And the paperwork says it has a $42 value, the Earth Harbor Mermaid Milk, a longtime Kinder Beauty favorite. This nourishing moisturizer is packed with spirulina, matcha, hyaluronic acid, and concentrated phytonutrients and antioxidants that work together to lock in moisture, reduce redness, and boost radiance. Bonus! Earth Harbor is the first beauty brand to achieve climate neutral, plastic negative, and 1% for the planet. When we take the lid off, that is what it looks like. It looks like a really fluffy cream. I have a little on the lid here, so we're going to try that. Actually, I'm going to switch fingers here since we know this one has the oil on it. We'll try, oh, it's very light. That feels really nice. I, of course, looked at the ingredients, and you guys know I have a couple of allergies, but I can use this. Oh, it's very clean. It smells fruity. I like that. It absorbed, I mean, my hand just absorbed that right up. That feels very nice. And last out of the box, we have, ooh, it's wrapped up, so I still don't know. It's like opening a Christmas present. Okay, we have the, ooh, Hawaiian Beauty Water. I don't know what that is, but it sounds amazing. Hawaiian Beauty Water by Hanua. I think we've had this brand before in other boxes, but I have definitely never had anything called Hawaiian Beauty Water. Let's see what the paperwork says. Hanua, I hope I'm saying that right, Skincare Hawaiian Beauty Water, $18 value, tone, tighten, and chill all at the same time. Ingredients like aloe and witch hazel work to fight blemishes and inflammation, while Hawaiian sandalwood, vetiver, neroli, and blue tansy come together for a calming, fresh scent. That scent sounds amazing. It is laden with things that I love the scent of. So let's see what the mist is like. Oh, it's very nice. I hope that comes across. It is a very, I'm wasting it. Stop it, Kathrin. It's a very nice, lovely scent. Did I say honey? It has a really sweet, almost honey scent to it. That is lovely. Let's see if it does anything for my hand. I've only put things on the back of my hand. I'm worried that with the witch hazel, it would leave you with that, because you know, sometimes witch hazel can be really cleansing. This feels, my hand feels soft, like you can tell. Touch my hand. It feels so soft and moisturized. It feels really nice. I'm gonna go online and I'll tell you right here, when they say the best time to use this is like before makeup or after, can you just use it any time of day? So that is what I got in my first box, and that is what you will receive in your first box if you sign up for a Kinder subscription. We receive the 100% pure eye masks, the Earth Harbor Mermaid Milk Moisturizer, the lovely Hawaiian Beauty Water from Hanua that feels so fantastic on my hand. I cannot wait to try it on my face. The Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum. I don't want to blow that off like, oh, because I've tried it and I know I like it. This is a great thing to have a refill on. And our scrunchie to pull our hair back without breaking it, which I love the thoughts of. So we have a little pampering, our day cream, our night serum. I don't know, when we're using this, I feel like I want the answer to be all of the time. And our scrunchie. That is what you will receive in your first box. I will put the link below. With that, I will put my Kathrin 50. You'll just type that where it asks for the code, and that will get you 50% off your first box, which will be this box. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know below. I am happy to answer them. If I don't know the answer, I will do my best to find out the information for you. Thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I hope I will see you again really soon. Thanks for coming by, guys.